Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to delete Facebook account permanently without password. So what you're going to do here, if in case you cannot open or you don't have the access to your FB account or old Facebook account, and let's just say you forgot the password, you don't have the phone number and the email, so probably you cannot open this Facebook account anymore. There are tons of methods on how to permanently delete your Facebook account, and I'm going to show you at least one method. First is you need to search that Facebook account, old Facebook account, or that Facebook account that you want to delete. So let's just say this is the Facebook account. All you have to do is to tap this three dots beside message, and you will see the following options. What you're going to do here is you have to click the very first option, which is report file. When you tap this one, and then you will see another option. What do you want to report? You can tap any of this, for example, a specific post, and you can say this is my profile pic, and this one is just copying or just using my profile pic. Or you can click the first one and then click this pretending to be someone. So here you can say that it's me, tap me, and then after that, they will ask for follow-up questions, but they will review first the profile. And if they found out that this profile is just using your Facebook, and they will get back to you right away. And then you can just simply ask them to delete this Facebook account because you are no longer the user or you don't use this account anymore. So basically, that's it in case that you cannot open a Facebook account because you don't have the access of the old password, the email, or even the phone number. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.